In this video, I will tell you the most important skills which you can learn to change your life forever. I take guarantee that if you learn these skills, then it will have a tremendous and drastic effect on your life. It will create a positive impact on your life in future. In today's life, new opportunities are created every hour. These new opportunities can change your life and can make you reach your dream goal much faster than you ever thought. From Bill Gates to Elon Musk, everyone has reached their position because they started to push themselves to upgrade their skills and to utilize these skills to grab every possible opportunity. So stop wasting time and start learning new skills. So in this video, we will discuss all these skills one by one along with the free courses which you can enroll and pursue. First is public speaking. It is one of the most important skill which you should learn. It can make or break your career. Public speaking is the art of effectively and efficiently communicating your ideas, thoughts and feelings to a group of people. You should start learning to develop the leadership qualities. Learning this skill will help you in communicating with the group of people. So for this, you can refer to the course by Google on Digital Garage, learndigital.withgoogle.com. I have given all the links in the description box so you can check it out. So here you can check out this course, Speaking in Public. So with this course, you will feel more confident about public speaking and you can learn how to quickly and easily deliver your speeches to specific audience. Next, you can refer this course on Coursera, that is Introduction to Public Speaking. The next skill which you should learn is critical thinking. So for this, you can refer to the course on Future Learn, Logical and Critical Thinking. It will improve your logical and critical thinking skills. It will help you in identifying your common obstacles to effective thinking. The next skill which you should learn is coding or computer science. So for this, we have already created many videos which you can refer and you can start learning programming. The next skill which you should develop is listening. So now while speaking, listening is even more important. This is simply because if you don't listen, then what you will speak? How you will able to understand if you will not listen properly? A great leader has to be a great listener because it is only when you listen to your team or your clients, then only you will be able to come up with the solution that will make you stand out from the rest of the crowd. So for this, you can refer these two courses on Udemy. These courses are free to learn. So the first course is Active Listening for Beginners. Learning to listen when nobody else. So in this course, you will learn what active learning is and how valuable it is. What are the different steps of active listening and how you can make listening a habit. The second course is Effective Listening and Effective Communication. In this course, you will learn how to communicate with others, how to ask great questions and how to avoid distraction. The next skill which you should learn is writing. Writing is one of the best skill which you can learn and from which you can earn money. Essay writing, business writing, creative writing and much more. If you are working as a freelancer or you are working from home, you can refer these two sites, that is edx.org and Coursera. So here you can find many courses on writing. The next skill which you should learn is time management. Time management is the art of prioritizing your work to ensure that the right thing happens at the right time. The best way to manage the time, how you can utilize your time more effectively and be more productive. It also helps to finish your work on time. The next skill which you should learn is financial management. Financial management means planning, organizing, directing and controlling the financial activities. It means applying the management principles to financial resources of the enterprise. So as you know that in business, it is crucial to manage your finance. Finances can make or break because a situation like this pandemic can hit any moment. So it is better if we plan our finances well, because if our finances are not well planned, then things can be more severe. All these courses are highly valuable. So I hope that you can learn from these courses and you can get benefit in your life. Which skill you are planning to pick up right away? Do let us know in the comment box. I hope you find this video useful. For more interesting videos like this, please like, share and subscribe to this channel.